right, so here we are looking at the new home communities offered by Lennar as the builders is what we're looking at today. Um, we're going to zip into Abbott Square, which is in the Zephyrhills area. So location-wise, you're about an hour from Tampa, 45 minutes depending on traffic, um, and also the airport. So if you're looking for getting into town on sporting events or dinner or business, you're still conveniently located. And then if you're traveling, you get out of the Tampa airport. They keep opening up more and more flights every day. I just did a newsletter that there's a new Breeze Airlines is in there and they're offering $30 flights. So you want to get out of town for a weekend, good opportunity. You're an hour away from Tampa with this Abbott Square community. Let's go ahead and dive in and see kind of what the community looks like. Here is the pool. If you're wanting to get up early, you can probably go out there and swim laps, prior to the kids getting out of bed and heading down there on the weekends. During the week, I don't think it's as crowded, but who knows? Summertime, whatnot. But that's the pool and the clubhouse. It has a fitness center inside of it. You also got a lot of sidewalks and trails in this community. So if you want to get out and ride your bike or walk the dog, lots of room to get out there and kind of explore and get your fitness and activities in without leaving the neighborhood. This is the rendering of some of the homes that are being built in the community. Abbott Square. Let's go back up here and look at the pricing on this. So this is the community itself. You can see a lot of it's already been kind of sold out and the lots are gone, but there's still a good amount of options available within this community, and really affordable. So you're talking about the mid 200s on up through, probably the 4s and 5s, depending on the home and what you're putting into it. But yeah, for $250,000 to $450,000, you're getting a brand new home, new community, all the amenities, and you're only an hour away from Tampa. For the community itself, getting into Zephyrhills or Wesley Chapel, you're 10 to 15, 20 minutes. Wesley Chapel, of course, has all the shops, restaurants, kind of anything that you need to get into is going to be in Wesley Chapel. And you're close to the interstate, so you jump on, head south a little bit, and you're right there in the thick of things. So this community, again, you've got the clubhouse with a pool and fitness center, playgrounds and parks, and like I said, everything just kind of right there. Whatever you need to do is it's a good offering here at Abbott Square, and the price is definitely right for the Tampa Bay community. All right, so there you have it. Several communities, went through 6 or 7 communities, plus some of the adult options, 55 plus. Located north of Tampa, this is, again, Lennar Builders. There's other builders in these communities, so if Lennar is not quite your thing, then there's plenty of other options out there. You just need to let me know what you're looking for. Let me know what you think. Price range, location, amenities. We can find something for anybody, anywhere from the 250,000 range on up to $1 million. These builders are catering to everybody that's coming into Tampa. So thanks for watching the video. Take a look. Let me know if you're interested, want more information. More than happy to help out and get you settled in Tampa. All right. Thanks. Located north of Tampa, this is, again, Lennar Builders. There's other builders in these communities, so if Lennar is not quite your thing, then there's plenty of other options out there. You just need to let me know what you're looking for. Let me know what you think. Price range, location, amenities. We can find something for anybody, anywhere from the 250,000 range on up to $1 million. These builders are catering to everybody that's coming into Tampa. So thanks for watching the video. Take a look. Let me know if you're interested, want more information. More than happy to help out and get you settled in Tampa. All right. Thanks.